Today, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reactivate your Twitter accounts. It's pretty simple, so just open your Twitter and at the bottom, click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you over here. And over here, you can enter your phone number or your email or your username, whichever thing is linked with your Twitter. So I'm going to enter my username. After entering your username into the password of your account, and after you enter the password, just click and log in, and basically, your Twitter account will be reactivated. As it's asking me a permission to do that, click on yes, reactivate. And just like that, your Twitter account will be reactivated. Now, to your past 30 days, or like, you know your 30 days time period has ended. Then, of course, you cannot do this to recover your Twitter account. But if it has not been 30 days, then you can just literally log in into how to guide your Twitter account and it will be reactivated. It's as simple as that. Hope you understand on how we guys can reactivate it to their account. But as I said, if the 30-day period is over, you need to go through an entire other process. We have made a video on how to reactivate it to their account after 30 days. Video on our channel. You can watch that video if you want to know how to do it. So hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.